Hello, this is Gregory Joseph here. Hey, it's BFG Week of Vlogs. Somebody once again.
What? Okay.
So guys, you know that the new Ghostbuster movie came out, the Afterlife, right, guys?
Yes.
Well, this is the Ghostbusters family size, guys. Let's go in here. Look at that. Look at that, Rodney.
Yummy.
And this is the Ghostbusters Afterlife.
Ooh,
Special
yummy.
edition box.
Yeah.
And I'm going to break the tradition and I'm going to open it. And we are going to do a review on it.
Looks good to me.
Look at this, guys. This is probably worth about $100 in about 5 years from now.
Yeah.
So this is what we're doing.
Yeah.
I got this at Walmart, guys. It was in the discount section. Probably means it was almost open. No, it wasn't. But, and so,
Look at all the baby, marshmallow mans on there. There we go. Ooh. This looks really good.
try one.
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
Looks like a berry.
Scales from 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. No.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad. This is trick.
This looks like Kicks, yeah. What do you scale, Gus?
It tastes a little bit like I don't know what it's like.
Kicks.
Kicks with a fruity flavor. Yeah. I'm gonna give it I think it's pretty good considering it's because I don't. There's not many cereals out there that's for movies. I mean, the ones that's for movies, I don't really care for
This
usually.
would be scale.
I'll just do a 6. Yeah.
4, 5.
Yeah.
I like it, guys. I'll give it a 7. It's really good. Yeah, so check it out. This is the Ghostbusters Afterlife.
Nope.
It was only $3. Anyway, guys, yeah.
It's not bad.
So if you guys haven't seen the movie, it's pretty good. Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, MAINE'S Food Reviews, more disregarded. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button. And as always, peace out. Have a good day, guys. God bless.